Welcome back to All About Art. Today, I'm challenging myself to create a striking 3D optical illusion using a unique double penciler technique. To start, I've taped two pencils together to ensure perfectly parallel lines for the main pillars of this geometric H. This trick is the secret to getting that consistent perspective right from the first stroke. Once the basic frame is down, I switch to a single lead to connect the bars and define the sharp, angled edges that give the letter its height. Now, the magic really happens in the shading. By identifying a consistent light source, I apply a gradient of graphite, darker at the base and softer toward the top, to make that H look like it's rising right off the paper. I'm using a blending stump to smooth out those transitions for a clean, professional finish. Finally, adding that subtle drop shadow on the left side anchors the drawing to the surface. It's amazing how a few simple angles and some strategic shading can completely trick the eye. If you enjoyed this quick 3D breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing hacks.